Step 1, I want you to go to youtube.com. Find a video from your favorite channel. You can choose any video you want, it's totally up to you. Step number 2, once you're on the video, I just want you to make sure that you watch at least 20 seconds of it. And step 3, well, there is no step 3. You have just made money. How cool is that? Now, take a look at this. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world. These people are using the same strategy I am sharing today, so make sure to watch it until the end so you can learn how to make at least $2 from every video you watch. When you're watching 10 YouTube videos, you can earn $20. And when you're watching 50 videos a day, that's $100. Well, I'll let you do the calculation. You can simply repeat this as many times as you want and keep on making more money. This is a 100% legit and free method that you can start today. Let me show you how it's done. First, you need to go to YouTube and look for Among Us videos. I am sure you guys are familiar with this game. To be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of this one. Well, let us know in the comment section your favorite online game. No worries, you can choose any game you can think of, and this online money-making strategy doesn't depend on the name of the game, but try to stick to the popular ones. Try to choose a popular video and double-click it. You can watch it to have an idea about the content if you want to. Otherwise, I want you to click on share and copy the link to this video. Next, I want you to go to 7r6.com, which is a completely free tool where you can create short links. This is going to be the platform we will be using today to make money online. You can hit on payment proofs to see how much people are making from this platform every day. No worries. Keep watching as I will show you how to be one of them and start making money online. You can scroll down to learn more about this platform and how it works. You can see that it's quite popular and many people are using it to make money every day. On top of that, you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, WebMoney, and even Bitcoin. How cool is that? I want you to paste the YouTube link here and hit enter. The short link will be generated. We need to copy this link and keep it saved in a text file. Every time someone clicks on your link, you will make money. So simple, right? Now, I want you to go to steampowered.com. This platform is the ultimate destination for playing, discussing, and creating games. According to SimilarWeb, this website gets more than 150 million visits every month, and it's a great source of traffic. To be able to reach out to that traffic, I want you to click on Community in the top menu bar, then type in the name of the game you have chosen here. Let's type in Among Us. You will be taken to the page dedicated to this game, and I just want you to click on Discussions. This is the place where we will promote the links. You can describe the video you've watched previously on YouTube and attach the shortened link. You will get paid whenever someone clicks on your link. Make sure to do that every day, and I can guarantee you to make some good cash, especially if your article goes viral. And that's all for today. Make sure to check out the other strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.